I make mistakes, you make mistakes, everyone else makes mistakes sometimes. So do chat and voice bots. It's possible that a user's request cannot be assigned to an existing intent, or the confidence score is too low. We talked about a confidence score in the last video. If something like this happens, your chatbot will respond with a default or fallback message. It tells users that it didn't understand the request or hasn't the answer for the question. Since the fallback intent is potentially one of the most frequent requested intents, you should pay extra attention to its wording and structure. The default message can clear up misunderstandings, suggest what users could do next, or to remind users of the capabilities of your chatbot. And it's very important to create different variations, so users don't see the same message every time. Thank you again for watching and see you in the next video.